Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Chromebook accessories is probably one of the most essential upgrades for your mobile workstation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys working on the go, the right accessories can significantly enhance your Chromebook experience. From boosting productivity to protecting your device, the perfect additions can transform your setup. In this video, we'll explore some top-notch accessories to elevate your Chromebook experience. Number 5. Anker 332 USB-C Hub, 5-in-1. This hub offers a 4K HDMI port, a 5 gigabits per second USB-C data port, two 5 gigabits per second USB-A ports, and a USB-C 100W PDIN port. It provides multiple ways to connect your devices. The USB-C port only supports charging. It supports up to 85W pass-through charging, allowing you to power your laptop while using the hub. You will need a charger, which is not included. For iPad, a 45W wall charger is recommended. You can move files at speeds up to 5 gigabits per second via the USB-C and USB-A data ports. This allows for quick file transfers. Note that the USB-C 5 gigabits per second data port does not support video output. Connect to the HDMI port to stream or mirror content to an external monitor in resolutions of up to 4K at 30 Hz. This feature enhances your viewing experience. Remember, the USB-C ports do not support video output. With this purchase, you'll receive the Anker 332 USB-C Hub, 5-in-1, a welcome guide, an 18-month warranty, and friendly customer service. It is designed to make your life easier. It supports USB-C, USB 4, and Thunderbolt connections. It is compatible with MacBook, macOS 12 and newer, Windows 10 and 11, Chrome OS, and laptops equipped with DP Alt mode and power delivery. However, it is not compatible with Linux. What we like. This Anker USB-C hub offers a fantastic 5-in-1 solution, perfect for expanding your Chromebook's capabilities. It provides multiple ports for all your accessories, and with pass-through charging, it keeps your device powered while you work. If you need a versatile hub to connect multiple devices and keep your Chromebook charged, this is the one for you. What people say. The HDMI port supports 4K display, which gives me crisp and clear visuals, making multitasking much more efficient. One of the standout features is the combination of data and power ports. I can easily connect my keyboard, mouse, and any other peripherals I need. The hub supports power adapters of up to 100W. The HDMI port supports up to 1080p at 120 Hz, 1440p at 60 Hz, and 4K at 30 Hz. Number 4. HESTECH 11.6-inch Laptop Sleeve. This laptop sleeve is designed to fit a wide range of devices, including Apple MacBooks, Microsoft Surface Pros, and various Chromebooks from Acer, HP, and Samsung. It's a versatile choice for anyone with an 11 to 12-inch laptop. This sleeve offers great protection for your device. With external dimensions of 12.5 by 9.5 by 1 inch, this sleeve features two front pockets for storing accessories like a mouse, charger, and phone. It helps you keep everything organized and easily accessible. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone on the go. The HESTECH laptop case is made of waterproof neoprene, shock-absorbing foam, and soft nylon. This combination provides excellent protection against scratches, bumps, and water damage. The material is also ultra-slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry. This Chromebook case is machine washable and easy to dry. You can keep it clean without worrying about creases or fading. This feature makes it a practical choice for everyday use. The anti-slip handle strap ensures your laptop stays secure while carrying. It also features a durable zipper and reinforced stitching at stress points. This design ensures the sleeve's longevity and protects your device. What we like. The HESTECH Chromebook case is a great choice for protecting your device on the go. It fits a wide range of Chromebook models and offers convenient storage for your accessories. If you are looking for a stylish and protective case with extra storage, this sleeve will keep your Chromebook safe from scratches and bumps. What people say. This case has unique features that are hard to find all in one case. 1. It opens fully. 2. It has some inner mesh pockets to store extra stuff. 3. It has two external pockets. I use mine for charger, flash card, USB dongle, and Apple AirTag. 4. It's snug, you can get a bigger size if you don't want snug. 5. Aesthetically it's very gorgeous, just really fashionable. 6. It has carrying handles. 7. It has carrying handles on top instead of on the bottom. Her laptop fits perfectly inside. It's well made, durable and overall a great buy. I loved the handles so she wouldn't have to fumble around getting in and out of her book bag or from class to class. She loves the color and that it doesn't show much of the wear and tear of others we've had in the past. If you're looking for something that doesn't take up space but still provides the protection needed when traveling regularly with your laptop, I would highly recommend this sleeve. The build quality is pretty darn good. The zipper is firmly attached to the case material has a slight stretch to it that makes removing and placing my MacBook Air into the bag easily. The padding is springy but supportive. The zipper attachments fit several USB sticks, my MacBook Air charger, an extra iPhone wire or two and a mouse. Number 3. Colorful keyboard cover for Acer Chromebook. This keyboard cover is designed for specific Acer Chromebook models. Please compare your keyboard layout with the provided images to ensure a perfect fit. It is important to make sure it matches before you buy it. This cover fits various Acer Chromebook models from different years. It is compatible with several spin and standard Chromebooks. Make sure your model is listed to ensure it will work. This cover is not compatible with newer Acer Chromebook models, especially those with a numeric keypad. It is important to double-check your model to avoid any issues. Please confirm before purchasing. This keyboard cover is designed for the US keyboard layout. The Enter key is a rectangle, like other keys. Please check your Enter key's shape to ensure it matches the US layout before purchasing. Made from ultra-thin, eco-friendly silicone, this cover provides all-around protection while maintaining a natural typing experience. The keys are individually molded for a professional look. The thickness is only 0.12 millimeters. If your keyboard has a launcher key, this is not the right cover. This cover only fits old Chromebook. Risk-free replacement warranty with case buy. What we like. This colorful keyboard cover is designed specifically for Acer Chromebooks, ensuring a perfect fit and protecting your keyboard from spills and dust. The ultra-thin design maintains the original typing experience. If you like to keep your keyboard clean and want a comfortable typing experience, this cover is a must-have. What people say. The cover fits snugly on the keyboard and doesn't fall off when flipping the screen around to use as a tablet. It's also been doing a good job of keeping dirt and junk from getting under or between the keys, which is important since oftentimes I will lay the Chromebook keyboard side down. It fits over the keys perfectly. Again, my Chromebook is white so the clear part of the cover that is between the keys is barely visible. I just bought it because I love green and I just wanted my keys to match my case. However, an added bonus that I didn't realize when I ordered is that it will also protect against dust and stains. Number 2. Supershieldz for Lenovo Chromebook C330, 3-pack. This screen protector is designed to minimize glare, making it easier to see the screen in bright environments. It also helps to keep fingerprints away, maintaining a clean look. Made from premium Japanese PET film, this protector is easy to install. It also leaves no residue when removed, ensuring a clean surface. The protector maintains the touch sensitivity of the screen. It provides a natural feel, ensuring accurate touch screen response. It protects your screen from scratches, dust, and daily wear and tear. This helps to keep the screen in good condition. The package includes 3 screen protectors. This provides multiple replacements or spares. What we like. The Supershieldz screen protector is a simple yet effective way to protect your Chromebook screen. It reduces glare and fingerprints, making it easier to see your screen in bright environments. If you are looking for a screen protector that enhances visibility and protects against scratches, this is a great option. What people say. I was able to get the cover on and almost all of the bubbles out. If you do see some lingering bubbles, just use your fingernail or a straight edge and work them over until they come out. I do like that I'm not smudging up my screen anymore and the cover didn't take away from the touch screen sensitivity. It probably improved it, if anything. It was easy to install, but hard to fix if you don't put it on right, or, if a little first grader decides that she doesn't like how it's installed and takes it off to make it better. We got it back on, it was the second day that it had been installed, I didn't want to get out another one so fast. Okay, yes, it is a giant pain in the ass to put on neatly and get the bubbles out. As is every screen protector. My only tip here is to toss the applicator that they give you and just pull out a credit card. It will make your life far easier. Also, don't use the cloth. I'd recommend Windex and lint-free paper towels to clean the screen first. More importantly, once you get it on, super responsive, doesn't budge once applied, anti-glare is way better than expected. It's actually an improvement over my actual screen, which is nice. Plus, if I ever do need to remove it, there are 3 more. Number 1. Synerlogic Chrome OS Keyboard Shortcut Sticker. This sticker is designed to fit any Chromebook, regardless of the brand. It's perfectly sized for even the smallest 11.6-inch screens. You can easily apply it and start using it right away. Get quick tips right at your fingertips. This tool helps you learn your computer much faster. It's perfect for any age or skill level, whether you're a student, senior, or working in an office. We stand behind our product with a quality guarantee. It's made with durable vinyl and has a professional design. Our customer service team is ready to help resolve any issues. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this sticker will save you time and frustration. You can easily reach a new level of computer proficiency using this convenient and affordable tool. This product is an original design and production by Synerlogic Electronics. All rights are reserved. Any commercial reproduction without permission is punishable by law. What we like. The Synerlogic Chrome OS Shortcut Sticker is a fantastic tool for boosting your productivity. It provides quick access to essential keyboard shortcuts, helping you learn Chrome OS faster. If you're a student, a professional, or anyone looking to improve their efficiency, this sticker will save you time and frustration. What people say. The keyboard cover fits perfectly. The screen protector is easy to install and works well. The case is very protective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.